that on the table. We got this base module. We got this phone holder. Got this small stick on it. Top bit to hold the pin. And that's mic kind of area if you want to have mic instead of stick. Okay. That is, yeah, little heaviness has been given just to have a phone. I think that will do the job. What is this intended for? Let's open this stick up. That is the stick. Cool. Yes, got that screw, phone holding bit, that's a tape. I can't see this bit. This bit is not there. Where is this bit? Okay, I can keep the phone here. One more functionality is that can be height adjustable. Can raise it a bit. That could be stronger, and yes, you can have phones like this. Okay. Oh. Have it on this direction as well. Look at that. You can use that for filming.